at the definition of who is an employer under California law. One of the key principles in legislative drafting is consistency in language, including definitions. In looking at who is an employer under California law, I note that there lacks the same definition across state laws. In fact, I find over 100 different definitions of employer throughout the California codes. Is this lack of a consistent definition problematic? Well, I think it could be, but it emphasizes the point that some terms are limited to their use in a particular code. Remember, there are 29 of them in California, or even in a particular subject of a code, like their division, title, or chapter. So this is just a sampling of different definitions of the term employer found in different California codes. Just a sampling. Government Code Section 22960.18, an employer means the state of California. Government Code Section 20030 says it means the state, the university, a school employer, and any contracting agency employing an employee. Health and Safety Code Section 1596.880, employee means a licensee or agent of a licensee subject to the Health and Safety Code. Business and Professions Code Section 7580.8 means a person who employs an individual for wages or salary. Government Code Section 22970.175, it means a city and county district, school district, community college district, county superintendent of schools, or other public agency, instrumentality, or political entity. Unemployment Insurance Section 678, it means an employing unit which, pursuant to a collective bargaining agreement between an employer and a labor organization in the motion picture, radio, or television industry, who pays wages. Labor Code Section 1132.2, an employer means a person, partnership, firm, corporation, association, or other entity which employs any persons to perform services for a wage or a salary. Unemployment Insurance Code Section 675. It's any employing unit which for some portion of a day has within the current calendar year or had within the preceding calendar year in employment one or more employees to whom they paid wages. Labor Code Section 4616.5, an employer means a self-insured employer, joint powers authority, or the state. Revenue and Taxation Code Section 19852 means any California employer who is subject to and is required to provide unemployment insurance. Code of Civil Procedure Section 706.011, it means a person for whom an individual performs services as an employee. Labor Code Section 4558, it means a named identifiable person who is, prior to the time of the employee's injury or death, an owner or supervisor having managerial authority to direct. Government Code Section 12950.3, it means a hotel or a motel. Health and Safety Code Section 50205, it means a person or entity who has petitioned or will petition to import an H-2A worker pursuant to federal law to work. Government Code Section 12950.1, it means any person regularly employing 5 or more persons. So small employer, by the way, is also used in several instances in California law, such as Health and Safety Code Section 1350.500 and Insurance Code Section 10753 that says a small employer is an entity that employed at least one but no more than 50 eligible employees, the majority of whom were employed here in the state of California. So again, you can see quite a variety of different definitions of who is an employer under California law.